In the last few years, many people in Australia have been living through a cost of living crisis. The cost of many goods and services has increased dramatically, including housing mortgages and rent. Many have struggled to cope under the pressure. One of the worrying results of this crisis is an increasing number of people who are becoming homeless. People who need to rely on friends or social services giving them a roof over their head, or who even need to sleep rough on the streets. The Australian Catholic Bishop's Social Justice Statement for 2025 to 2026, called Signs of Hope on the Edge, addresses this issue. It looks at the challenges that arise for people who experience both homelessness and mental health issues. Sometimes mental health conditions can lead to homelessness. Sometimes the experience of homelessness can severely impact people's mental health. This year's Social Justice Statement shares powerful stories of real people who know these kinds of struggles. These stories show the human face of homelessness and mental illness. We are reminded that everyone has a name and a story, and each of us deserves to be noticed, known, and loved. Here in Western Sydney and the Blue Mountains, there are many outstanding social service providers, like Catholic Care, Vinnie's, the Salvos, or Parramatta Mission, that can help people of all ages who struggle with homelessness and mental health issues. Sadly though, the need for support has become too large, and social services around the country simply cannot help everyone. In Signs of Hope on the Edge, our bishops call for better policies and systematic changes, but above all, they call on each of us to respond with compassion and courage. We are called to become a church of encounter, where people are not just helped, but embraced as equals and as children of God. We are called to step into the lives of people on the edges of our communities and of society, to befriend them, advocate for them, and journey alongside them. We are called to follow the example of Jesus, who always noticed, listened to, and cared for those on the margins. Just as Jesus healed Bartimaeus, the blind man in Mark's Gospel, we too are called to see and respond to the needs of our brothers and sisters who live in hardship. Following this example means trying to practice 3 things: noticing, knowing, and serving. Noticing. Life is busy, and it's easy to ignore people on the margins, especially when their presence makes us uncomfortable. Noticing them is the first step towards building a church of encounter. Knowing. It's not enough to know about people facing exclusion. We are called to get to know them, their names and their stories, and to build a human connection. Serving. Loving service is central to our faith. Serving is not endless giving, but walking with others and accompanying them. In that journey, we receive and learn as much as we give. Noticing, knowing, and serving others, especially people on the margins, are 3 things we can all practice as we try to walk in the footsteps of Jesus every day.